everyone. This is another video on my channel. Anyway, it's a little muggy and groggy outside today, and I have my robe on right now. Anyway, I gave my dog a bath last night, and sorry. Anyway, I'm about to sit down. I may have said before, and I think I have said before, I'm watching MASH downstairs. Anyway, I am also drinking some coffee. Sorry if the light is a little... Sometimes I sit on our steps, but I'm gonna leave the door open. Anyway, if you liked my last vlog, let me know. I will have a morning routine up soon. Anyway, we had lasagna. Me and Ethan are planning to, sorry if that's a little, the camera will go in and out. But yeah, me and Ethan are planning to go on a date, a Valentine's Day date this week. Anyway, but I'm just, this will be up in the next few days. I'm trying to get my vlogs up more regularly since I took like a few days break. That's good. But while I'm doing this video, I'm going to show you my new creamer. It's not the powdery creamer. I got it at our local grocery store, and I sort of fell in love with it, but I think I did it in my food haul. A lot of people, I get a lot of people like that watch my views, well, videos, I mean. Hold on, let me turn on the, this is it's a French vanilla, and it's Coffee Mate. I fell in love with this. I got the small one, but they had the bigger size, and I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna get, if they still have it when we go back next month, I'm gonna get it, because I usually only do about, when I get the other creamer, I usually only do about 3 scoops of creamer. But if I'm getting, ooh, I'm about to close the door and sit down. I think I'm gonna mop in a few hours, because when I give my dog a bath, it's like the next day or so he gets in a playing mood. And I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but my dog, last night, I don't think I will ever put this in a vlog because it would not be good, but he likes to, I don't know why, but he does much better. He doesn't like a bath. You basically have to drag him in the bathroom. And I'm not saying that's bad, but if Ethan's right there beside me, he'll calm down. But when it's time to get out, he will freak. He will splash water everywhere. And then you have to clean it up. And this video is basically in real time. I have my show paused right now, and I don't know, if I do a video on Valentine's Day, it will be either when we get back or probably early that day. I do not know. Or maybe the day before. I just do not know. It depends on what we're doing. I might be making a cake that day, because since we're going out, we've talked about having dessert, because you can have ice cream. We've talked about having dessert while we go out, but anyway, oh, and when me and Ethan finally start doing the planning, I will let y'all know on everything. I will let you know on everything. Just not how much stuff. Anyway, let me get back to it. I've had a few people ask me, like, have y'all set a date yet? Have y'all set a date yet? No. The only thing we know for sure is I've had a few things. We know we want it to be sometime in the spring. That's the only thing we know. If I haven't said that yet, that's the only thing that my cousins have asked. My mom has asked. And I'm not going to go into detail. Anyway. And if you're wondering if we are still moving, if we do, it will be far from now. Because for right now, we're just focusing on getting married sometime probably in the next year or so, hopefully. Because it just happened probably Christmas. I just got engaged, and we just got engaged basically Christmas. So, and it's like every time Ethan, it's not necessarily he looks at me in a new light. Anyway, my allergies are starting to act up again. I think it was because I was outside, and usually me and outside does not mix, especially during winter time. But anyway, Ethan is watching one of his shows right now, and I think I mentioned he loves to play video games. He loves to play video games, and when he gets in the zone, the gaming zone, I know not to bother him. But I think I may have mentioned that I know basically what I'm going to say when it's time to say my vows, but I'm not going to go into detail. Anyway, but anyway, but otherwise I will be just glad when this when all this rain and stuff is gone. And but otherwise, I'm supposed to be getting some furniture. I'm not really sure when, and I don't know, but if I do get it, it's supposed to be from my grandmother. I will let you know. But I'm almost done. As soon as as soon as the office is basically clear, is basically sorry, I'm drawing a blank right now, but as soon as all the boxes are out, and because I think I have mentioned that used to be Ethan's old bedroom, but I will show you what it looks like as soon as everything's out and cleared out. But anyway, sorry, my nose is running. Anyway, if you are wondering, I really didn't want to talk about this, but my neck is still hurting, still throbbing. I can start bending again because I did give my dog a bath, like I said last night. I was surprised I was able to. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here in a little bit because it's lasted almost for 20 minutes, I think. Anyway, and I'm gonna get back to watching TV. Sorry if that's a little blinding. Anyway, I mostly watch like crime shows and stuff like that every once in a while. I may have mentioned, I know I've been saying that a lot right now. Me and Ethan have got interested in that show, Manifest. We did watch Timeless while it was on. And, but, I have been watching The Good Doctor. And, I really, really like that show. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna get back to what I was doing. And sorry. Anyway, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Alright, bye guys. Bye.